YouTube and all my babies. You should go receive coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a family member because we're lit over here on this channel. If you're new, welcome to the family. We don't bite over here. We're very friendly. But if you're an oldie but goodie, what's happening? What's up? I think I tried to do a little slow with it. Yeah, I tried. But what's up, family? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a dupe. Y'all know, unfortunately, we cannot link them down below because YouTube don't play that over here or there or whatever. You got some people that will chance it on their channel. Y'all feel like we've came too far to be taking, what is those, penitentiary chances? Because YouTube will take your whole channel and you have to start from the beginning. And we already started from the bottom and we here. We're not trying to do it again, okay? We're trying to just grow and grow and grow. So y'all, AliExpress dupe, here we go. Here they go with the Scarface packaging. If you know my reference to Scarface and why I'm saying that, then you just know. If you don't, I'm sorry. But let's just say I can't say what I really want to say. Let's just say they're just packaging my items as if I'm Scarface. That's all I'm gonna say. If you can read in between the lines, okay? If you don't understand, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So let's get into it. So y'all, I purchased this bag because I already know what this is. So I purchased this bag because the real bag, even though it's very affordable, it's still too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. And I just can't do it. You know, and when I mean affordable like Coach prices. Coach is, you know, affordable. But it's just like, sometimes you just be like, you know, is it really worth it? So y'all, instead of buying the real thing, I found a dupe on AliExpress for, I want to say $18.99 plus tax, say about $22, $23. Y'all, we got the infamous tote bag. And I got it in pink because I did try to order it in lilac purple. For some reason, this thing was not getting through customs. I think they actually sent it back and I ended up getting my money back. So I don't know. I really don't know. And y'all, it's crazy because, okay, let me know if I'm crazy. Y'all, when I ordered the lilac bag, I want to say the purple wasn't even out yet. And that's what I'm thinking. Maybe like that was a red flag. The fact that, and get me wrong, maybe if I'm not paying attention or whatever, because I'm not really big on like release dates of things. But y'all, excuse my hair's over here looking a little wet and wavy. But yeah, like when I was trying to get the purple bag, I want to say they didn't even come out and say the purple bag was available. I think they were just, nah. I want to say the only one that was out for it that was booming was that mustard yellow one. And y'all, I was trying to get that purple one. When I say that thing did not get through customs, they sent it back. But yeah, that was weird. I found that very strange. So y'all, we got this, the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, and I got this from AliExpress and bubblegum pink. And y'all, as you can see, it says Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, 1984. Back here. And y'all, they have like the different sizes. I want to say, and don't get me up here lying, but I'm just going to guesstimate. I want to say it comes in like a medium sized bag and then a larger bag. It also comes in like a cloth. I want to say the Sherpa, denim, and like the leather type. As you can see, this is the leather type. Straight out the bag, as you can see. Not sure if this was like this or maybe through, you know, this bag been everywhere. It did go through a journey. So, you know, this creasing right here, nothing that a purse insert when fixed. You know me, I'm not a stickler. $18 for a bag that's between, let me see, because Marc Jacobs went up on their prices. So I want to say between $2.50 to $3 something. And I got this for $18. I'm not complaining. So we got that little crease right there. We have gold hardware. And as you can see right here on the sides, we have the little hook so you can put your strap on here. So let's see. I'm excited and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose it. Okay, so in the inside it's stuffed with some brown tissue paper. So it does come with this bubblegum pink strap, and this is the longest it is. As y'all can tell, this ain't going over or under any of my midsection. So we're definitely going to have to use a purse, purse extenders, because your girl's top heavy. And in the inside, y'all, it's pretty decent. Like, I don't know, because yeah, this look like the size, unless the other people are getting like the bigger size. So this is like the small size, I guess. This is the inside of it. It says Marc Jacobs right there in the inside. It does have this pocket right here, so you can put your phone in there. So, this is pretty long. It's pretty deep. There's no other pockets in here. Let me see if I can just... I'm trying to... Okay, there we go. So we got this right here. Y'all, this is pretty cute. Because I really wanted the pink bag. Y'all know I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I'm usually, nude, dark brown, black purses. Those are my type of colors. I usually don't have nothing like bright pink. So I figured, why not, get this. I thought this was very cute. It looks like it may fit a lot. My current purse I'm carrying... No, I'm not going to change it because I want to keep my current purse. My current purse is a black purse. It's my, I did a video on here. I don't think I posted it yet, but this is my current purse. Y'all still got the plastic on it. I know. Ghetto. I know. Don't judge me. I'm scared to take this off because I don't want it to scratch at the metal or for it to tarnish, but I'm eventually have to do it. Then if it tarnishes, I'm going to hit it with some clear polish. Back in the old school days, if you wore like stuff that turned or fake stuff, hit it with some clear polish. But y'all, this is my current bag right now. And let's just do a comparison. Hold on, let's close this. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to... Oh, wait, let me... So we got this bag. And this is the Gucci... Oh, what are you? Marmont's bag? I'm not sure. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But it's the Gucci bag. And then we got this one. So let's just lean back some. Oh, so this one is bigger than this one. Oh, yeah. I'm loving this already. So I told myself, and then we got a little string on the back, but y'all know I ain't petty with that right there. Cut that off with some scissors. So I told myself, I said, if I like this one, then I'm going to get it in black. I'm sorry. Because I'm not even going to try to get it in purple because it's just like, one time with AliExpress, it just takes me one time. If something don't get through customs, give me my money back. Thank you very much. I'll find something else. So I want to say they have it in a large, but I'm not sure how much you can put in the large one because I don't want it to be too big. I just want medium-sized purses. I'm trying to work on medium-sized purses. So I'm thinking I might get this either in black or like a khaki camel tannish color, kind of like the UGG color, but I'm like, I don't know, but I think I want another one. But yeah, I think that's about to be my go-to summer bag, y'all. So this is the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. And then y'all know they just came out with the bucket. It don't even say the bucket bag, it just says the bucket. I'm just like, that's so obvious, but whatever. It's not me. I'm not Marc Jacobs. It's not my product, but the bucket, like, come on, Marc Jacobs. You could at least say the bucket bag, but the bucket. So this is the tote bag, y'all. Let's get into it. It doesn't have feet at the bottom. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So y'all, hope y'all enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys on the next one.